Hi guys, welcome to LDFS. I'm Dr. Lakshmy. I hope you all are safe and healthy during these corona times. Today I wanted to give you some good news. We have crossed 250 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Please continue supporting us. And on this happy occasion, we are going to release a series of videos in which the topics will be focused on the problems which we faced during the corona time. So if you have any topic in mind, if you want us to cover a video on that, if you have any problem, if you had faced any problem and you want us to talk about that, then kindly let us know. You can send us those messages on this WhatsApp number. We'll try to make a video on that specific topic. So from next week onwards, stay tuned for our next new video series. Thank you so much, guys. Hi guys, welcome to LDFS. I'm Dr. Lakshmy. Today we'll be talking about a small habit in us which can have a huge impact on patient. But unfortunately, it is the most neglected part, but it is an important step to success. Do you want to know what it is? We'll discuss about that today. At the end of this video, I'll give you a tip also on how to achieve that habit. An exercise which I have implemented it myself. I hope it will be useful for you. Stay tuned till the end to know that exercise. That small habit which I was talking about is power dressing. Now, what do I mean by power dressing? That means the way we present ourselves, the way we dress, the way we groom. In short, the way we present ourselves before the patient, such that to show that we hold an important position and we are confident and knowledgeable in the field we work. That is meant by power dressing. Now, majority of us, I know, won't agree with this. We feel that our work should talk about us. Dress comes secondary, the look comes secondary. If we do good work, they will be happy with us. The patient will have a great impression about us. You're right, you're not wrong. But the problem is the patient creates their first impression just by the look, and later on comes the consultation part. This impression can be improved or degraded based on how we go ahead with the consultation. So consultation parts always come secondary. First comes whenever the patient enters your consultation room. He will look at you first, he'll make an impression. And then comes the consultation part, the treatment part, everything. So unfortunately, the way we present has a huge impact on patient. Let me give you an example. Imagine you're conducting a puja at your house. Your friend has recommended a pandit. You called that pandit and asked him to come on Monday for so and so puja. When the pandit came to your house, when you opened the door, you saw that he was wearing a shorts t-shirt with a long, big, huge tattoo in his arm. What will be the first impression that will be created in your mind? You will be doubtful about whether he is good enough. You'll be doubtful whether he has a good knowledge in that field, right? Because we have already created an impression about a pandit, how a pandit should look. That is disrupted by the way he was dressing that day. But we haven't had a chat with him, we didn't see his work, still we have created a first impression about him. This happens, right? Similarly, the same thing will happen with us. Patients also create a first impression just by looking at us. Our work, the way we talk, the way we tell them about everything comes later on. In fact, when some medical rep come and visit you, have you seen them in casual wear ever? They usually wear a formal when visiting us because they want us to take them seriously. That is important in the sales field. Similarly, it is important to us. When patients seek out medical treatment, they want to believe that they have placed their health in the hands of a knowledgeable and capable professional. Right or wrong, it is human nature to associate expertise, authority, and clinical knowledge with a well put together appearance of the doctor. But for better or worse, unfortunately, our dress communicates first and then the way we work. That communicates secondary. Power dressing doesn't mean you have to buy something expensive. You have to buy expensive clothes and expensive watch and all those things. No, it doesn't mean that. Power dressing means to be presentable. Whatever brand you want to buy, anything is fine. Think of it as an investment, not as an expense. I'm not saying we have to always buy branded stuff or branded things. No, it's not necessary. But the way we present is important. How clean it is it ironed properly? That all things, these small things matters. At the end, let me share with you an exercise which you can implement from today onwards. And do this exercise for 2 months and see what change does it has. How does your patient respond? I have personally done this for myself and it was very useful for me, trust me. I want you guys to try it and then you take a decision. So the exercise is, once you are totally ready for your clinic, stand in front of the mirror for 5 minutes and think about different ways how you can improve your look from head to toe. Think about your hair, your beard, your dress. Is it ironed properly? Is it clean enough? How is your apron? Is it white enough? Is it dry cleaned? Does it has any stains? Is it too old? Is it shabby? How is it? How are your shoes? Everything. How are your accessories? Think about everything. Every day, spend that 5 minutes in front of the mirror and think about ways how you can improve it. And start implementing those things. Do this exercise for 2 months and see the change for yourself. You see how your patients are responding to you. You see how your staff is responding to you. You see how you are feeling about yourself. Try this and let me know if it helped you. I hope you liked today's video. Thank you so much, guys. Continue supporting us. Send us a hi on this number. We'll add you to our special WhatsApp broadcast list, and you'll be the first one to receive whenever we release some video or any other stuff. I hope you try this exercise and let us know how it goes. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, bye.